The 2017-2019 KTM 1090 Adventure R. KTM expanded its lineup of adventuresome models for MY 2017 with the 1090 Adventure R, and the Austrian manufacturer carries that directly through into the 2019 model year. The factory touts the R as its most capable machine once the blacktop turns to brown, and it brings its considerable experience with dirt bikes to the design table. Stealth knobbies and street-legal lighting make the R a true, go-anywhere bike, and the liter plus lump churns out well over 100 ponies to give you plenty of power with which to work. Ride-quality electronics round out the package, so you can count on some built-in safety when you're traipsing beyond the civilized reaches. KTM 1090 Adventure R Design. The R is built as a globetrotter that can blaze its own trails and perform in both rocky and soft terrain. As with any adventure bike, there's a balance to be struck between roadworthiness and terrain tackling ability, and since these two endeavors are as disparate as chalk and cheese, there's usually a bias one way or the other, and so it is with the 1090 Adventure R. The R is street legal, true enough, but it's built as a globetrotter that can blaze its own trails and perform in both rocky and soft terrain. Rugged rubber and wire wheels set the stage right out of the gate, even if the close-fit front fender is somewhat streetier in its construction. The blunt nose and short flyscreen punch a hole in the weather for your trunk with stock handguards to protect your meat hooks, and it's too bad that the factory didn't integrate the front turn signals with the handguards or mirrors, because the standoff blinkers just look like an afterthought. Oh well, I'll just chalk it up to the off-road bias and move on. Behind the glass, a pair of LCD screens join a half-round analog tachometer to deliver the instrumentation and display the status of your electronic rider aids.
To read the full article, check the link in the description. If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.